peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
A whispered
Outside ones. Come off the chart London session. I've got one prop firm, margin breached, email at the top. I've got £31.99, I think it was. Down after today's shenanigans. So a tad jarred because it means that the prop firm that I failed or got the margin breach, overall daily limit breach doesn't fit my playbook. But hear what I'm saying. It doesn't fit my playbook. It doesn't mean that I can't trade. It doesn't mean that I need to tweak my system. Obviously I have the reassurance because I've been doing this and I'm profitable like with other prop firms before I've come to this one and like my private equity. But I'm showing you guys, sometimes it's not you. Like prop firms are tricky. Prop firms are annoying. Prop firms are meant to make you feel like you can't do this thing, innit? Like a lot of people are losing. So if you're gonna be losing them, at least make sure you're choosing prop firms that favour you with regards to the parameters. So I think this one's got a 20% consistency rule, something like that. Doesn't work for me at all. I think Thunder Pro does 45%. I do alright with that one. It's a tad annoying leverage wise, but I think I need like, after getting into profit, I need like 1 or 2 trades after just to level out. But that's fine. Also, like, if you have a win rate that is only, which only allows you to really pass a prop firm once a month, then that means by the end of the year you'll bang 12. Like, this is why I'm trying to say, or I say to my students, don't be sentimental with your prop accounts, because let's say for example you do 12, you like your strategy allows you to do 12 a day. 12 a year, fine. So you can more or less try to calculate, figure out if you're a type of trader who, due to discipline and risk management, if you actually get payouts, then cool, you can start to figure out, alright, cool, how much you're gonna make a month. Obviously, guesstimation wise, isn't it? But what if you wanted to double your income? Let's say you got another child, you want to buy a new house, expenses, cost of living. You need to bang more props. Because then you say, alright, cool, how much is a prop? I need to double my investments in them. Let's say if it's £30 for a prop, then it'll be £60. You know what I mean? So you want to run through it. You don't want to be stalling. So for example, that's an instant funded account that breached today. Today is Thursday. Today on the dot is when I get the contract saying blah, 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 and I'll be able to start withdrawing my profits today. So I've been letting that cook for 2 weeks, and now today I've done the flunder. I've done the mad jar. So I mean, to be honest, price action wasn't that favourable, it wasn't clean. So with regards to reflection, like, I could not have executed so much, but you know, I'm unruly, so if I can't do what I want to do, how I want to do it, then it's not going to be done. So yeah, that's how you decipher between which props work for you. not just because another trader recommended it or because the marketing looks good. Cut it out. Hot. London. Fine. Will I catch this light? Yes, I will. Yeah, man. Last trade of the week done. Not really too impressive how the week has ended. I wanted some more P's taken out of the market. But then, did you know what I remembered? I'm not pressured for money. Let me put this window up. I'm not pressured for money. So, you know, like, alright, cool, bad week. I was actually at the stage of internalizing it. But my younger self would have. Do you know what I mean? Because I'm looking at myself from like a higher level type thing. Observing or like reflecting on my behaviours, like how I felt taking the loss and all these type of things, just to make sure I'm not cracking. Do you know what I mean? I did a short about anniversaries. I actually did quite well. One of my best performing shorts. Yeah, man. Anniversaries, I got a hell of them. 2 major ones that just passed, and then one that will pop up tomorrow. So yeah, I'm not pressured for money. Keeping myself busy, which is another good thing, and I'm not stalling. I've got my sanity, do you know what I mean? My mental health is strong. That's what we need while we're in the concrete jungle, the plantation. You know what I'm saying? I'm boiling keeping this quiet enough to speak to you guys. You know what? I'm gonna... should I? Yes, I should. I'm gonna run to the petrol station. Yeah, my mind's a bit everywhere, team, because I've been juggling everything, and now I've taken a step back. Like my physical asset that I picked up this year, I've taken a step back from it. So I still, one of my clients, I still feel like sometimes I'm not. I still feel like sometimes I'm forgetting something. Look at my face. I still feel like sometimes I'm forgetting something. Or, yeah, I'm not used to cooling off, relaxing, whatever. Guess it will come with time, to be honest. Because I don't want to chase the physical asset too much. I still need to make sure that trading is my primary focus. So yeah, I realised I was going a bit too far. Because even where money's concerned, I'll make more money trading anyway, so what am I doing? Do you know what I mean? In regards to working smart type thing. The charts have been alright. What's happened this week is my trades have wicked in for another deeper push or liquidity grab, and then it's turned around and continued in the direction I wanted it to go in. So to be honest, it's not like it's a bad execution for myself. Fine execution. It's just the charts didn't move as favourable as they could have for myself. So with that being said, I've got one prop that's basically done. I think I've got like 50 quid left, so that's basically done. The other one today, I was supposed to get the funded contract, and I blew the daily margin. Don't even know how. I mean, I took a scratch. I reckon it was just, yeah, I did do one entry extra today. I think they're just being a bit silly, to be honest, because it was a scratch. It was only like $6, so it was a scratch. I don't really yeah, whatever. Yeah, I was going a bit slow just because my money allocation for trading was small for the past 2 weeks, so it's just been a bit annoying. I've been holding on to them and just trading them small, do you know what I mean? Where they didn't hit, I'm not really too fussed, because now I've got more money to allocate. So yeah, I'm ready to go, sort of thing. Now I'm just gonna smash for them, type thing, and increase my my funding, innit? Like, come on, we know what we does this. It's Dylan Kane Rose, Instagram. Contact me. That's my main primary platform I work from. Contact me if you want to discuss any concepts or what have you that I have discussed. And with regards to risk management as well, especially during the summer times, please do remember that playbooks or strategies typically slow down in win rate during these times. So if you do feel like you're going through a losing streak, what have you, don't make any tweaks. Cool, no. Stick to the process, play the strategy. It's just gonna be less frequent, you know what I mean? But we're still gonna get there in the end. Done now.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
A whispered trade